So let's look at the Session Properties panel. So if we go over to the left, you'll see a clipboard. It's got a little check mark and a pen with it. That's your Properties button. As you can see, it's got a tooltip as well. So if you get a little confused or forget where it's at, just hover over and it will tell you the name of it. So we're going to go ahead and open that up. So right now, as you can see, we don't have our player panel maximized to fill up the whole screen. It's going to look different if we do that. So right now, as you can see, I kind of have it smaller and I maybe want to put it in the corner while I'm typing over here. But say I want to maximize it. So we're going to do that. So we filled up our screen and I still need my properties panel. So it will pop up separate and I could move it if I need somewhere for however you want to set up your viewing situation. So we're going to go ahead and open this.
What you see listed here are
and
the
as you can
different
see, the
segments
first
in this file.
tab here is the media properties.
What you see listed here are the different segments in this file.
When I click on one, it's going to start playing from the beginning of that segment. So if I move down here, it's a totally different segment. It's going to move forward. So we'll do it right now. As you can see, the scrub bar is in the middle. So let's go ahead and start from the beginning.
It's all about when.
Now I have to go down here to hit pause. If I was to click on this again, it would restart from the beginning. So just an example, if I move across down here to
Are the different segments in this.
Theft.
As you can see, it skipped forward on the scrub bar. So we were here and it jumped to the beginning point there. These little white marks are showing beginning points of each segment. And then if you go underneath where the file names are listed, this will be the other information that you can find. With the Session Properties tab, it displays any session information populated in note-wise. It will automatically transfer to Viewer 8. And that's also including any custom fields that were created. Now the other tabs that you see here are going to be Session Properties. I know we're saying that a lot. The first one is about media, any information dealing with that media. So we can click here and start a session. We can get just the basic information from that session. The second is the properties. Depending on the file, there's different amounts of information here. But what happens is if I want to show different things in the player panel, I can select here for that to show up. So what I've done is click on these and you'll see a check mark show up. You will also see them show up in the players panel. If there's not enough space, you're going to have a little scroll bar show up in the right that will allow you to navigate. As always, you can expand that if you need some more space. Depends on how you have your screen set up. So you can choose how you want your player panel to display. It may be that you need the person's name to be there, the judge's name, whatever information that's there. So our last tab is the Exhibits tab. And here you'll see any attachments that were with this file. You can reference them if you need. Simply double click and they will open, depending on what viewer you have on your computer. But right now, as you can see, this file has a JPEG, a PNG file, and a PDF. So it supports different types of files. You could have video, you could have a scan, whatever is attached with that file, you're able to reference and see there. One last thing I want to point out, as we all like to set up our screens a little different and our workflow may be different. Of course, I've shown you many ways that you can adjust that, but I also want to point out that there is a little pop-out window icon here. So if you needed to view your video at a larger size, you're able to do that now with Viewer 8. That's an upgrade that we have for you. So this little button right here will just expand that out and you can put that on your screen wherever you need. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video of Viewer 8 and we hope it was helpful for you getting started using Viewer 8 and your transcription work.